Each log is carefully handled, ensuring quality timber for every pencil. The journey from forest to factory begins with careful transport of raw materials. Every log travels hundreds of miles, maintaining integrity for the next stage. Arriving at the facility, logs enter the controlled environment for processing. Logs are carefully unloaded and sorted, ready for precision cutting. Each log is examined meticulously, ensuring only the finest wood progresses. Each cut is exact, producing uniform slats that will cradle the graphite core. With timber prepared and dried, the factory is ready to begin the heart of the pencil-making process.
From the forest, the logs begin a controlled journey to the factory gates.
Careful handling during unloading preserves the integrity of each log. Pre-processing checks ensure only suitable logs proceed toward shaping. Precision transport guarantees that every log arrives at the right machine, ready for processing. With careful transport complete, the logs are poised for the heart of pencil making. The factory's scale becomes clear as logs arrive at the heart of production.
Every shipment is verified, securing a seamless flow of raw materials.
Coordination between logistics and operations ensures efficiency at every step. Logs transition seamlessly from transport to the factory's internal processing lines. The factory's scale is revealed in synchronized movement and precision handling.
Air jets remove the final remnants of dust, leaving pristine wood ready for cutting.
Technology provides precision, preparing each log for the next stage of production. Final checks at this stage ensure the factory only works with top-quality wood. With cleaning and sorting complete, the logs are ready for the heart of pencil production. Every pencil core begins as a precise blend of graphite and clay. Precision extrusion creates uniform rods that will become the heart of every pencil. Controlled drying hardens the graphite cores, preparing them for cutting.
Cutting the rods to exact size ensures consistency for every pencil.
Calibration ensures each pencil will meet strict quality standards.
Pressure fuses the wood around the graphite core, forming a seamless pencil blank. Sanding refines each blank, preparing it for color and finish. Painting transforms raw wood into the vibrant pencil we recognize. Controlled drying hardens the paint, creating a perfect, long-lasting finish.
Every pencil is visually checked, ensuring only flawless pieces move forward.
Branding marks each pencil with identity and quality assurance.
With transformation complete, pencils advance toward precision finishing and automation.
High-tech sensors detect imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Automation ensures exact placement, reducing errors and maximizing efficiency. Bundles are sealed precisely, preserving the pencils for shipment.
Labels provide identification, ensuring traceability for every product.
Sorting systems prepare pencils for distribution efficiently and accurately.
Automated lifts position products for optimal storage and dispatch.
High-tech systems work in harmony, maintaining speed without sacrificing precision.
With automation ensuring accuracy, pencils move toward final finishing and quality control.
Each pencil receives a perfectly honed tip, ready for final refinement. Human eyes catch subtle flaws, complementing automated precision. Touch-up ensures every pencil maintains uniform color and finish. Controlled drying guarantees durability and a perfect sheen. High-precision sensors verify each pencil meets exacting standards.
Bundles are formed with exact precision, ready for distribution.
Shrink wrapping protects the pencils and maintains organized packaging.
Labels provide identification and traceability for every product leaving the factory. With precision finishing complete, pencils are ready for quality control and final storage.
Every pencil undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets exact specifications.
Dimensional accuracy is critical. Each pencil must meet stringent tolerances. Only pencils that pass every test are cleared for packaging and shipment.
Quality-approved pencils are organized for efficient storage and transport.
With quality assured, pencils are ready for their journey to customers worldwide.
Bundles are systematically organized onto pallets for efficient storage and shipping. Automation ensures each pallet is stable and ready for transport. Organized storage enables rapid access for future shipments.
Accurate labeling ensures every shipment reaches the correct destination.
Careful loading prevents damage during transport, maintaining pencil quality. Pencils are now ready to leave the factory, reaching markets worldwide. Each shipment carries the fruits of meticulous craftsmanship and precision. From raw wood and graphite to finished pencils, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce pencils from start to finish.